Hey guys, it's Cryptrader again. In this video I would like to discuss the recent API implementation on Mainnet. The API is your key to unlocking programmable actions for your trading account. Many use the API for programmable trading strategies, reading market data like CoinMarketCap would need to do, and in the future it can also be used for sending trade histories to a tax tracking software. Although the most popular obviously would be to use for developing automated strategies on a bot or facilitating copy trading. There are already a few third-party bots being developed on DFE now that the API is available, which means we are just one step closer for anyone to have the opportunity to participate in automated trading. So the one thing that I believe we will notice once there is a lot of bot activity is for the liquidity to improve significantly, and also for the wicks on the same lines as the liquidity. If the liquidity improves, you would expect that these some of these wicks, if you notice here, some of these wicks actually diverge from the spot price, and so in some of these cases when you have a sharp movement and liquidity gets thin in the order book, you'll have the futures price actually diverge from where the spot would actually be. So in this case, let's just pretend that we were going down right here, so the spot would be here and the futures price would actually trade much lower because the liquidity is not there. And so what I would expect is once there's more bot activity, there would be some trading strategies developed that would detect that divergence of spot price when the futures price starts going below, and it would just start to add liquidity and start buying up that difference until it gets back to the spot price. And so I would expect these wicks to lessen, which is going to be a positive. And I also expect that there'll be some strategies that aren't only placing limit orders, adding liquidity, but there'll also be some that will be taking liquidity, and so that will help even more for those that are scalping and they want to get their fills quickly. There'll be a lot more activity once there's more and more bots that are actually taking liquidity as well. And so those are some positives that I'm looking forward to whenever the bot activity starts to pick up. Okay, so now let me show you where you can get to the API. So go to account right here, and then you'll see right here you have the API tab. You can click that and it'll take you to the page where you can actually create your API key. So if you read it right here, it says creating an API private key provides access to the markets, which is the market data, and real-time trading services. So all the actions that you can take on the exchange, there'll be programmable actions that you can use to program into your bot in order to do your automated trading strategies on your third-party site or application. And so to create your API key, it's very simple. All you have to do is click right here and create, and you'll see that it lists out your key here. And if you need to copy it, you can click the little clipboard icon here, and so it says that it's copied to the clipboard. You can then use that API key to insert into an application that someone might have developed, a third-party application that someone might have developed for you to utilize a trading strategy or copy trading or whatever it is in the future. This is where you would actually have to copy your API key in order to put that into one of those applications. And if for whatever reason you would like a different API key and you want to trash this one, you can just click right here and delete, and then create a new one, and it'll give you a new API key, and so the old one is no longer valid. And of course, if you're a developer and you would like to view the API documentation, just simply follow this link to the GitHub page. I'm personally not a programmer, so I'm not going to act like I know what I'm talking about on these, but you can access all the documentation here if you are interested in developing something on Digitex Futures Exchange. And so you have the public REST API for market data. You can follow that link there. Public WebSocket API, follow the link there. Trading WebSocket API, follow the link there. And you can see that CoinMarketCap's actually already using the API. So for those that haven't seen CoinMarketCap, if you just click on that link there, you can actually see where it's kind of like CoinMarketCap, but it's for futures exchanges. So if we scroll down here to the bottom, you see Bitcoin derivatives. So these are all the futures exchanges. And you can see, the top players. You got Binance up there, BitMEX, Bybit, and if you come down here, you actually see Digitex down here. So you see our perpetual Bitcoin contract. It shows the amount of volume that we have. So the 24-hour volume for Digitex currently is $640 million. Open interest 1.96 million. So you got all this data right here. So this is the market data that's actually going to CoinMarketCap. And obviously, as time goes on, Digitex will be listed on more and more of these tracking websites where it tracks the metrics of different exchanges and tokens. And so that's one other thing that we can look forward to in the future as well. Pretty much covered everything I wanted to on API in this video. So if you are an algorithmic trader and developer, this is a good time to start creating some strategies to take advantage of the zero fees on Digitex Futures Exchange. And for those that are eager to participate in automated trading, I suspect it won't be too much longer before these third-party bots are made available. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys next time.